folding and carrying your kickboard. This is important because it is not lightweight. It's about 20 kilograms. So you have to do is first step is remove the safety hook by rotating it left side. Then turn off your kick scooter, turn the safety hook counterclockwise and open the quick release lever. Then align the snap hook and the buckle and hook them. Yeah. This is really easy because it's an automatic way. On your bell there is a snap hook. This will go on the back side, on the rear side of your kick scooter. And now you can carry your kick scooter easily, as you can see. Here you can see, let's have a workout with it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa! When your kick scooter is folded up, lift it by the stem to carry. Job's done. Nice and easy. Disengage the snap hook from the buckle. Then fold the handlebar stem up and close the quick release lever. And of course, turn the safety hook clockwise. Job's done. Then you can go back on the street and have fun with this kick scooter out there. Here we are back on the street. Yeah!